So how's the showroom? How's the showroom stuff going? Everything good? Huh?
Doing great.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Huh? Getting everything hung up, everything moved, everything cleaned up.
Shop looking good. Every time you're not here, we make it look good.
Yes. See? The job is done. Let me get back to my stuff. That's why you wear safety stuff. All right, got a piece of angle iron. I want to use this as my mount on the wall. So these are going to screw right into the wall. And then the sign that I'm making are all going to mount into the top holes. This is basically a huge mounting bracket for the sides. You have your, I don't know, probably 5-foot cross we're putting up. These are just to support the cross, you know, because, you know, it's still just sheet metal, even though there's more sheet metal going in front. It's all going to bolt together. It's not very strong, and you want to make sure, you know, only ain't going to be all flexing and flopping. Support, support, support. That's really all that is. Cut out a bunch of holes, all the exact same on these and these. So all I'll really do is get this, bolt some in, bolt some of these in, bolt one of these in, and then I weld it to the back of this. And then all my holes match up perfectly. And then I look like a genius. And really, it's really just all because of the fast cut, because I would have never drilled this many holes. This is too much work, but I'll do it on the fast cut all day long. Here's what I got going on. This is now going to go on the back of the cross, and it is basically going to be on the back of the cross, kind of like that, like a hook, and then we'll put it on the top of the gate. That way it can be temporary. It should work. I think. Possibly. I mean, listen. With all of the years and huge amounts of experience that I have with all of my technical training, with all of my schooling, which I haven't had any of, it should work just fine. Yeah, we're good. Always walk with the metal away from the cars. Put yourself, your body, in between it. Don't scratch the car. That'll get you fired. When you got, you know, like I said, a 17-foot badass fan for your showroom, well, it should be showroom worthy. So it's getting graphics, which means I get to sand. What did it suck if I was sanding the wrong side? Oh, that would suck so bad. I checked. I'm not sanding the wrong side. I checked. Yeah. See? Flat side goes on the top. That gives you a nice angle. Yeah, I'm good. Just had to make sure I was good in front of you. Whatever. Get out of here. Well, at least I'm not sanding. You know, at least I'm doing my thing. I'm painting. I mean, this ain't exactly my painting thing, but, you know, it's better than sanding. Perfection as usual. I just got to double check my measurements because, you know, measurements might not be my thing. So I'm going to double and triple check my measurements because basically I had to put the mount up there without ever putting this up there. That should work out just fine. And the good part is they're not in the same spot on either side. So, you know, yeah, my bad.
I'm watching the circus and I don't have to touch it, so I'm happy about it.
What up, man? This is Horny Mike at the legendary Kustoms, and we have redone the showroom. We want to show the boss man
All right.
all the wonderful things we've done to his beautiful showroom.
All right. I want to see cool stuff, man, because you know this is our house, and our house is cool. So show me how it got cool.
So you know, and I'm not joking about this.
Yeah.
It was really just these two.
Yeah.
We did nothing.
All right.
Things stayed out of the way. This was you, and this was you.
Well, I had to look at the budgets. I didn't do any of the labor, but yes, I had to look at the budgets.
He didn't have to step in and like, come on.
So just a disclaimer, if anything is crooked, it's not my fault. It's this guy. Because he likes to overbuild things and
Yeah.
overcomplicate the simplest of simplest things.
See, all I was trying to do was give credit to these two for doing all the work.
So
in
for
it.
sure.
Yeah.
It's very simple, but when I build something, it ain't ever gonna fall off the wall. Ever. The building will fall down.
No. It
And it's going with-
might fall off the wall, but it won't separate into a million pieces when it falls off.
Yeah, no, just one big giant.
Just one big thing just falls
10-ton
down.
thing just goes.
Let's go see. Let's go see the beautiful side.
Well, I mean, so far my favorite part is Dad's GT sitting right up front, so I'm happy about that. All right. Now show me what y'all and what we've reorganized.
We've reorganized everything.
Yep. I dig it.
Do a tour in the back.
Listen, I wasn't really doing the tour. Bob had to do the showroom, so you know I was letting Bob do his thing.
Hey, all I did was want to freshen it up so that it's nice and different and a little bit more special for everybody that wants to come and look at it. We can stop right here, look.
Yeah.
We never had that cross up there before. It's full of flake and everything like that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Awesome.
So you know you gotta bring the cross all the way around.
Make a step.
You can't just be at the front
it's
door.
great. It's great, man.
Let's not forget about these incredible pieces.
Yeah, you know, this is the other side of the tracks right here.
It's the bargain area.
The cars look fantastic. The bikes look fantastic. Dude, look at this. Man.
Yeah, because we're so cool, we needed a big new fan.
Wow, that's massive. Where'd that come from?
This industrial fan company. I got one at my garage, and I was like, well, hey guys, you know, I called them up. I was like, well, we need one in the showroom, you know? We need one to be our centerpiece right in front of the store.
You have one of those big damn fans?
All right, I don't have that big a one. I only got a 10-footer. This one's 17 foot.
17-foot fan. Beautiful.
17 foot round.
And I love what we did to it, man. It's beautiful.
Boy, that thing can move some air, huh?
It'll blow your hair right back.
Oh, that's great.
That's nice, man. That's nice.
Same thing. We got a big cross over there, all flaked out on the gate.
Well, let's take a look.
Go check her out.
Let's take a look. I like that.
Perfect selfie spot.
Yeah. Oh no, it's perfect. This is so cool. We've had this old school half Patriot car up here, half a Willys cut up here, but now I like how we did the gate in red. It stands out from the black roll-up door, and the red gate looks really nice, and the cross on it is just beautiful.
You know what I noticed? The other half of this car is in someone's garage, but even though those beautiful people wanted this and paid for it and everything,
Yeah.
they were like, well, I don't want to take it home. You guys keep it at your place.
How cool is that?
It's cool that they keep it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leonard Potter won this, man. I love it.
Thank you, Leonard.
Yeah,
left
Leonard,
it
that's
with-
awesome. And he keeps it here so that people can take pictures in front of it and the cross all the time. Leonard, you rock. Dude, this looks great. The cross looks beautiful. The gate looks beautiful. I dig it.
And of course, your setup's a lot better.
Count section. Yeah, man. Old Count Cool section over here with the funeral flower car, the hearse, the custom coffin, the tattooed chop. What do we got going on over here at the store now?
Well, that is the joy, is the store. Look at how beautiful it
It's
is.
completely changed up. I'm digging it, man. I think the store looks awesome. What a great display. It's better than we've ever done. The store looks fantastic. The
And you know,
signage.
that old sign had
Yeah.
been there before, and I've been here 21 years. It was
Right.
there before I was here.
I know.
And it's crazy to look at this because you just double take.
Right.
You go, wait.
Right. The
It's a new
old
stuff.
square sign that I had up there from
Yeah.
the beginning,
Yeah.
you know, it was wore out, man. Like letters were peeling and all that kind of stuff had been up there. Like you said, that sign had been up there for 25 years. Man, this looks awesome. Mike, you cut all this stuff out?
All the signs, all the crosses, everything you see, we cut that all out with the fast cuts. Sliced it, diced it, put it together, painted it. Of course, all of the signs are painted with House of Kolor, the only paint that matters. And then me and Bobby put her up there.
It just looks
Along with 1,268 million screws.
Yeah, I might have,
And only 2 hold it to the wall.
I might have miscalculated on using spacers or using nuts for spacers.
right.
Yeah, there's a lot of nuts in there.
Right.
I kept going back to the office and like, I gotta get some more nuts. I gotta get some more nuts. Anyways, it came out beautiful though.
So for all you that say, what does Mike do? There you go.
There you go.
He uses
He's the
too
nut
many
guy.
nuts
Yeah.
He uses
on
the
one
nut.
project.
Yes. And now we're doing custom hats.
We're doing all of our own hats. We got some new designs coming out next week.
Okay, tell me about this machine now.
The Melco machine. The Melco makes all of our hats and shirts, jackets, anything we really want. The beauty of this bad boy is, all right, so show me a picture of something you want.
Yeah.
We can put it on whenever you want. Now we can do our own leather. We can
Custom
do our own
embroidered
seats.
hats.
We can do our own embroidered hats.
Cross, custom cross. Look at that. Look at this. Ah.
Anything you
This-
want.
This is my personal favorite because you know this was the original design hat.
Correct.
So that's always my favorite. But I'm digging this. I'm digging the these are great. All of the apparel looks beautiful. General Pace's Corvette, come on. My 32.5 window. Yeah, Tommy Lee's chop. Not many people know
It is,
that this
it is,
shirt
it is.
that was the chop we built for Tommy 150 some odd years ago. I love them, man. These are great. I mean, there's all kinds of cool stuff, man.
It's set up better. It's lighted better. It's just
Yeah.
it's a destination for people to come check out our stuff.
And of course, the old school original. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The store's great. We got all kinds of stuff.
And of course, our character shirts.
Oh, that's right. We got the character shirts over here.
And you can get a hat to match the color of your character shirt.
Thomas Estrada did the artwork on these.
Yep.
Yeah, he's terrific. He's terrific. He's wonderful. Oh yeah, those are all the original artwork pieces up there.
Our air tool holders, our keychain holders,
We make
paint
all
gun
this here.
holders,
We make it all.
all on the wall, all ready to go.
I love it.
Our roses.
Yeah, man.
I know it.
Get something for your lady
Right.
that'll never rot.
Right.
Impressive.
I feel we have a full setup all the way around.
We got great stuff all over.
And being in Las Vegas,
Right?
show the water bottles.
Oh,
Yeah, you got a lot of water.
Absolutely.
Just in case you're a little
Well,
thirsty.
you know, it's Vegas. It's summertime. It's 152.
There you go.
We got the Counts, Customs, water.
Yes.
We make our own water. No, we don't. It's,
I fill them up in the back with a garden hose. Just like we did it back in the day.
oh, that's great.
Don't forget about the custom crosses.
Custom crosses.
Look at the size of these.
Hang them
All
on your
shapes,
wall, man.
sizes, and colors.
Colors. Look at that thing.
This
Change the
one's
color.
gonna change.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
These are the
Oh.
big dogs. You got your littler ones.
I love these two, by the way, man. I love
Same
these
here.
two. This is new here. It's Counts Customs celebrating the greatest nation on the planet's 250th birthday. America right there, forever and ever. Counts
This
Customs.
is what it looks like on.
Oh, that's true. There you go.
That's our
There you
model.
go.
Give it a little spin.
That's what you get in
There
it.
you go.
That's what you get in an extra medium.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Come down here, you guys. Come see it for yourself, so that you know. Counts Customs. We are open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. How much does it cost to come in and take this tour and enjoy all of this? We're doing it for free. Show up here at Counts Customs. Walk in the door. Enjoy. We've always got nice music playing. We got cars on display all over the place. Take your time and enjoy the vibe. The people here are wonderful. And then we got stuff. If you want t-shirts, you want hats, you want keychains, you want whatever, we got it. Come enjoy Counts Customs. We appreciate you, so come check us out.